Good afternoon, dear listeners. Here we have a bird in front of us. This bird is called ostrich. This ostrich is the largest and the heaviest bird in the world, which can measure 1.7 to 1.9 meters high. The way you see it is really majestic, very huge. It is looking at me, very friendly, and it doesn't mind my presence. As you see it, it can have from 90 to 120 kilograms as a female. This one you can see in front of me is a female, but a male can be between 100 to 150 kilograms. This is also the fastest bird. It can run about 60 to 70 kilometers per hour. You see, if you make a mistake and you let it to run after you, you can't escape. However, it is not aggressive, but this one can fight. It's a fightless bird, but it can fight in case it is aggressed. Its fight can be made by its feet and the beak. It can kick and bite. This one can lay between 30 to 40 eggs, but some can go up to 130 eggs. They start laying eggs after 2 years when they are born, which means that they spend a lot of time before they start producing. Their lifespan is in between 40 years to 50. In captivity, they can reach at 70 years old. These birds can feed on plants, mostly roots, and sometimes the leaves. And they can sometimes feed on lizards, insects, and some small mammals they get near them. This one can't fly. It just walks like a person. The way you see it near me, it is just walking. That is why it has also the ability of running very fast. These are open area birds. They mostly live in savannah areas. They don't like bushes. The reason why they are given the ability of defending themselves, running. When they are attacked by big cats, they can survive from their run and fight. So this is the ones we have near us. Here we have only females because the male got killed by keepers who didn't know how to handle them once they escape. The male escaped to the compound and went outside, and the keeper who was not experienced about how to handle animals, he judged good to hit it until it gets weak, so that they can carry it back to the compound. Then they have beaten it up to the level of getting weak, but the time for it to die had come. Instead of carrying it to come back in the compound alive, they have carried a dead body of it, which is sad for these females which are here without any male for producing. So these are the birds. Today I had thought about telling you about this bird. If anyone has a problem or a question about this one, you please subscribe to this channel and like it, and keep on asking questions about this one or other ones also will be sharing with you. Our channel is here just to tell you about animals, about trees, about birds, about even human beings, air, and so on. So keep on enjoying our videos. Thank you so much.